May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for listing one ILOC.
Pursuant to the registry.
Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 4. for
Item
ad-
number
4. For adjournment. if
4.
possible. Yes.
Yes.
For
Adjournment.
adjournment, Your Lordship. Kindly fix after 2 weeks.
The paperwork is in there. Okay, you wait for your turn. We'll see. As you are received, if paperwork is not ready, we'll pass order. You be there.
Lordship, sir, I beg to mention item number 6 of the daily list, Your Lordship. Lordship, Council Mr. S. Botago is down with viral fever, Lordship. So I'm seeking an adjournment for the day, Lordship.
Item number 6.
6, Your Lordship.
6 is it 7.
Lordship.
6 is tagged with 7. Have you informed the other council?
Yes, Lordship, we have informed the other side.
You have informed the other side. What is your name?
P. Khaton, Your Lordship.
P. Khatuniya. Who is in viral fever? Who is indisposed?
अब मैं
S.
बोल
Botago.
रहा हूँ, S. Botago.
Mr. P. Khatuniya. Learned council appearing for Mr. S. Botago. Learned council for the appellant in 6. The criminal appeal 340/2020. Has submitted that Mr. Botago is indisposed and has thus paid for listing of the appeal after 2 weeks. It is submitted by Mr. Khatuniya that consent has been taken from the learned counsel for the appellant in 7 to make the prayer. Full stop. Ms. A. Begum, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent number 1 state. Mr. B. Prasad, learned amicus curiae for the respondent number 2 in 7. Anybody else? Our board president, Kumar, has said that they have no objection to the prayer. The prayer is allowed in the cases after 2 weeks, nearly 2 weeks becomes.
Much.
And Lordship. Lordship, matter pertaining Lordship, the unlawful detention Lordship. So Lordship, herein Lordship.
Yes, who appears for a state? Sometime. Sometime. Today?
So Lordship, add 2 Lordship if possible. Is it tomorrow at 10?
Tomorrow, 10:30, not possible because I'll be sitting in another division bench.
At 2?
After rising of that bench only possible.
At 2
We don't know also at 2.
Lordship.
Okay, list the matter tomorrow. Mr. R.C. Das, learned counsel for the petition is present.
Today. At not 2. At 2. Both.
Not 2, whenever it is possible.
Not. It's Lordship. Masala. Same.
Same.
They said.
Same.
Masala.
Hey, please, man.
Yes, file or not file? You have filed?
29. Last 29 it was like.
Oh, it is not in record.
3, 4, and 5, 8, 5, and the.
Period of opposition has not been filed. Okay, do you want to file any reply?
My lord, may kindly fix the matter on the 2nd week of this month. The file a reply, my lord, to the said affidavits filed by my respected senior.
Heard Mr. P.R. Sharma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. Mr. K. Kolita, Learned Counsel, on behalf of Mr. K. K. Parakhod, Learned Senior Government Counsel for the respondent 1 and 2. And Mr. D. Nath, Learned Senior Government with Assam for the respondent 3 to 12. Mr. Nath, Learned Senior Government Advocate has submitted that an affidavit in opposition on behalf of the respondent number
3, 4, 5, and 6, and 11.
3, 4, 11 is already filed.
All
3 to 6 has already been filed by supplying a copy to the Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Also, Mr. Sharma, my counsel for the petitioner has submitted that he has received a copy of the state affidavit in opposition filed on behalf of the respondent number 3 to 6 and has submitted that an affidavit in reply, if required, will be filed within 1 week time.
Date may kindly be fixed.
Full stop. As the affidavit in opposition stated to have been filed on behalf of the respondent number 3 to 6, is not on record, office to tag the said affidavit in opposition with the case record. Full stop. Para. This is the case on 11/7/6/2025. Full stop. The affidavit in reply on behalf of the petitioner, if any, shall be filed on or before 11/6.
Deeply obliged.
Item 2.
May I please?
Yes.
This is a
Art.
date.
Ms. D. or Pujari, legal aid counsel for the appellant, and Ms. B. Bhuya, learned senior counsel and additional public prosecutor, assisted by Ms. M. Das, learned counsel for the respondent number 1, State of Assam. This criminal appeal under section 415 within bracket 2 Bharatiya Nagarik Purukha on Pita 2023 is preferred against a judgment and order dated 27 to 2025 passed by the Court of Learned Special Judge within bracket POXO, Tinsukia, in POXO case number 125 of 2023, arising out of Tinsukia Police Station case number 370 2023. By the judgment and order dated 27 to 2025, the applicant has been convicted for the offense under section 6 POXO Act and has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for 20 years and to pay a fine of rupees 10,000, in default of payment of fine, to undergo rigorous imprisonment for another 4 months. First, we have gone through the contents of the memorandum of appeal. The appeal is admitted for hearing. The case records of POXO case number 125 of 2020 should be called for. Issue notice returnable in 4 weeks as Ms. Priya additional public prosecutor has appeared and accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, State of Assam. Issuance of formal notice has been reached. Extract of the minimum within 3 working days. The appellant is to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 informing in terms of the practice directions so and so. The learned traditional public prosecutor is to obtain a report as a service of notice upon the respondent number 2 from the officer in charge, Tinsukia Police Station, on or before the returnable date. Is the case of the courts. Hard, Mr. N.K. Mori, learned counsel for the appellants. And Miss B. Bhuiyan. You can accept notice on behalf of both.
I need particulars. For two may not be, because by need they have needed the particulars.
That senior counsel in additional public prosecutor. Said by Ms. M. Das, learned additional, learned counsel for the respondent number 1 from the state of Assam. This criminal bill under section 4152, so and so, is preferred against a judgment dated 24/3/2025 and an order on sentence dated 29/3/2025 passed by the Court of Learned Additional Session Judge, the FTC, R.D. Yangon and Difu, within bracket the special court, in NDPS case number 43 of 2023. Post office. By the said judgment and order on sentence, comma. The appellants have been convicted for the offense under section 21 within bracket small c, NDPS Narcotic Drugs Insurance, 1985. And both of them have been sentenced to undergo a rigorous imprisonment of 12 years and to pay a fine of rupees 1 lakh each in default of payment fine, comma, to undergo simple imprisonment for another 6 months. We have gone through the contents of the memorandum of appeal. The criminal appeal is admitted for hearing. The case records of NDPS case number 43 of 2023, we call for issue notice returnable report weeks as Miss Mia so. Appellants to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 by registered post dating within 3 working days from place the case after 4 weeks.
Pilot 2 may be accepted by through BP, madam. Visible.
By name you have.
Because I have, as an informant, I have implemented.
So
You have implemented by name. It is not possible for her to.
My lord, there is.
Had it been,
My lord, there is in IA, my lord. I also.
heard Mr. N.K. Mori, learned counsel for the appellants, and Ms. B. Mia, learned senior counsel and additional public prosecutor, vested by Ms. M. Das, learned counsel for the opposite party number 1, state of Assam. The instant application under section 430 Bharatiya Nagarik Surakha Sonhita 2023 is preferred seeking suspension of execution of the sentence passed against the appellants and for their release on bail. The applicants as appellants have preferred accompanying criminal number as well, so against the judgment লিখে দিই। বাকি লিখিব, লাস্টত লিখিব, steps খিনি লিখিব, the state respondents is to file the objection on or before the return.
Placement.
Yes, you have some prayer, right?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Miss
P. Roy.
P. Roy, Land Council. And Miss P. Roy, Land Council for the appellant, and Miss B. P. Yes, yeah, Miss Swenson, Land Council for the appellant, has sought listing of the case after 4 weeks. Postponed. As the records from the trial court have been received, come our office to prepare the paper. Postponed. There is the case after 2 weeks for report as regards the release of the paper. As sought. As sought. No, I was in. I know.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. N.K. Kolita. Lordship, we have not received the paper book.
paperwork is not ready,
NCR
not
to-
ready or ready,
Not ready.
not
Yes,
ready.
sir.
How can you receive?
My Lord, we filed our rejoinder, my Lord, on 28/5/2025.
Rejoined.
Told that it is not on record, my Lord. So can I pray that your Lordship will fix a next date shortly so that it can be heard before vacation? Can it be on?
What is the matter?
My Lord, it's an habeas
Custody.
corpus matter. My Lord, my daughter has been taken away by the respondent number 4.
So you have received the copies. When did you file?
It's filed on 28/5/2025.
Mr. Nath, you were for?
I'm for the for 1.3, the authority. We have followed the already evidence report of the police that after investigation, we have advised the petitioner because this is a civil matter and then the issue is related to custody of the minor. She has to approach the competent civil court. All exceptions are
Okay.
there.
As Doctor Senior Counsel, stated by Ms. P. Bhagat, Mr. D. Nath, Learned Senior Government Advocate for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3, and Mr. A. W. Amal, Learned Counsel for the respondent number 4 are present. Mr. Doctor has submitted that a reply affidavit has been filed on behalf of the petitioner on 25/5/2025. And the said reply affidavit is not on record. That's all. Okay. Since, as I said, a reply affidavit of petition is not on record. List this case, office to trace out. And take the said reply affidavit with the case record and list the case. Okay, 20,
Well, my Lord, if it is not inconvenient,
20.
20. All right,
2006.
much obliged.
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
In connected, I have filed additional affidavit, Lordship, last.
Is it? Yes, Miss Begum, you filed. You take both the application as well as the affidavit. File a consolidated objection. What is the ground you have taken in the additional affidavit?
Lordship,
Main application is on merit.
Lordship,
Main application is on merit.
merit.
Okay, this is additional affidavit,
In connected, I, for bail,
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 dizziness.
Lordship.
You suffered from dizziness.
Lordship, yeah,
Hmm?
all.
All are suffering.
uh,
All are suffering.
They are daily wages labor, back pain, Lordship.
Uh,
And moreover, Lordship,
what kind of ailments?
Lordship,
From what kind of ailments they are suffering?
I
All
have-
the applicants are found to be suffering.
Lordship, I have annex prescription.
Let us see the prescription. Because I am not expert in medical.
I am also not expert, Lordship. I beg your pardon, Lordship.
Pento P, that is for, I think,
Yes.
gastric. Everybody takes.
Lordship.
After a heavy dinner, everybody takes in the morning.
Lordship.
Dizziness. Let us read page 66. What is dizziness? Then next one I cannot read. Rohila, 25 years. Why Saran Sutradhar is in? Who is Saran Sutradhar?
So,
Pain.
one of appellants on Lordship.
Okay. Then 69. From what he is suffering? She is suffering. Azithromycin, that I understand.
Lordship.
Something familiar. Ah. Our High Court doctor prescribed me 15 days back.
Lordship.
But I did not take any leave.
Lordship. Only additional affidavit, I have annexed the PW number 2 deposition, Lordship. I have,
Okay, you take a report from the whatever, file a consolidated affidavit, objection. Taking the application, main application, as well as the additional affidavit.
We have not received the copy of additional.
You furnished,
Lordship, I have provided through my Mohori, Lordship.
huh?
I have provided through my Mohori, Lordship.
File an additional one, hardly 10 page.
I will supply, Lordship. I obey
Okay.
you, Lordship.
Heard Mr. B. Kaklari, learned counsel for the applicant's appellants. And Miss A. Begum, learned additional public prosecutor for the respondent opposite party. Comma state of Assam. Full stop. Mr. Kaklari, self-furnished. A copy of the additional affidavit. File on behalf of the applicant's appellants to Ms. Begum and additional public prosecutor within 2 working days from today.
Lordship.
First up. Ms. Begum and additional public prosecutor has sought for and is granted
I'll bring the report also from you.
whatever time 3 weeks to file a consolidated objection to the application under section 430, BNSS and the additional affidavit filed on behalf of the applicant's appellants. Those two, lays the yes after 3 weeks.
Demobilize, Lordship.
Not very serious, looks like.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, madam.
Lordship, the steps has not been taken, so I.
Steps taken,
Not taken, lordship. so
not
2 days.
taken.
Lordship may allow me 2 days. within 2
Appeal has
days I
been
will take.
preferred against the impugn order, let notice be issued, the state was taken in many states. Regarding whether. Right. Okay, Miss L. Devi,
Appearing on behalf of.
learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. R. K. Devchudri, learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, for the applicant, has prayed for another opportunity to take steps, another opportunity of 3 days, 3 working days, to take steps for service of notice upon the opposite parties. In deference to the order dated 25/4/2025. Post of. As steps for service of notice upon the opposite parties have not been taken by the applicant in deference to the order dated 25/4/2025, comma, another opportunity of 3 working days is allowed to enable the applicant to take steps for service of notice upon the opposite parties. In reference to the order dated 25/4/2025. This is the case of the 4 weeks. Hmm.
Sir, in this case, we are appearing as legal aid counsel.
Legal aid counsel.
But IA is for condemnation.
Yes, Ms. Mia.
86 days.
And legal aid counsel, judgment is when?
My lord,
Judgment
21/12.
21?
12 goes to the court.
21/12. Letter has been written by legal, District Legal Service Authority only on 5th April. Right? So, yeah, that's it. Heard Mr. B.K. Sen, learned legal aid counsel for the applicant, and Miss B. Bhuyan, learned senior counsel and additional public prosecutor for the opposite party, that's respondent number 1, comma, State of Assam. Post of. The instant application under Section 5 of the Limitation Act 1963 is preferred, seeking condonation of delay of
86.
86 days in preferring the accompanying appeal, criminal appeal, under Section 415 within bracket 2, Bharatiya Nagorik Suraksha Honita 2023. Post of. The applicant as the appellant has preferred the accompanying appeal against a judgment and order dated 21/12/2024, passed by the Court of Learned Additional Session Judge cum Special Judge within bracket POXO, Oregon, in brackets, the special court for Saul. In POXO case number 124 of 2023. Post of. By the judgment and order dated so and so, the applicant appellant has been convicted for the offenses under section 376 AB, Indian Penal Code, and section 6, POXO. So in view of section 40 2. POCSO Act, the applicant appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life, which means imprisonment for the remainder of his natural life, and to pay a fine of rupees 20,000, in default of payment of fine, to undergo rigorous imprisonment for another 3 months. Full stop. Para. We have gone through the statements and averments made in this application, more particularly, paragraph 3 and 4 thereof. Full stop. The impugn judgment and order of conviction and sentence was passed on 21/12/2024. Full stop. It is found that steps were taken on behalf by the superintendent of District Jail Morigaon to approach the District Legal Services Authority Morigaon on 3/3/2025 to extend legal assistance to the petitioner, applicant appellant. And it was on 5/4/2025, the District Legal Services Authority Morigaon forwarded the matter to the High Court Legal Services Committee for extending free legal aid services to the applicant appellant. Para. Ms. Punya, Learned Senior Counsel, and additional public prosecutor appearing for the opposite parties. That's respondent. Number 1, State of Assam has barely submitted that since the applicant appellant has been sentenced to undergo rigorous imprisonment for life, or like in legal after affecting service legal, like in our legal. Interest of justice will be better served, are dispensing with notice to the respondent opposite party number so at this stage. I it will be ensured because it will be served when the appeal is to be heard.
It will be numbered and it's not been numbered, yes.
No, it will be numbered. We will observe that we are dispensing with a notice to the respondent number 2 at this stage, as he will be heard or he will be heard at the stage of appeal. এই পরোটা লিখে দিব অফেন্সটো চেঞ্জ কৰি দিব ভিক্টিম নহব এইটো ইনফৰমেণ্ট হ'ব আৰু এই এপিসোড বেটাৰ আছে চাই লব ইয়েস
I'm obliged.
Okay, there, I think, Article 22, subclause 1 of the Constitution.
But obviously, the information that they are declared foreigners,
there
they are declared,
huh
they have been sent to the
okay
Lordship,
get the
without-
instruction no
So
if
statute-
declared foreigner whether you have said declare foreigner
No, Lordship, the NRC available, Lordship, so concern is without any.
no
prior
NRC that
information.
issue has been decided by the Supreme Court Are you a declared foreigner or not by the foreigners tribunal? Get the instruction tomorrow. At least for issuing notice, we'll find out
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow, Lordship.
I will send copy. Get
If declared foreigner, the issue is different.
Yes, Lordship.
If not declared foreigner, then issue is different.
specific.
Yes.
Then it is habeas corpus.
Yes.
Specifically, what that their brother,
Okay.
they have been taken into custody and sent to the
Okay.
detention camp.
Okay.
Yes, Lordship.
You also
But-
get the instruction
Yes, Lordship.
whether they are, because there is no whisper
There
Yes,
is
Lordship.
in the petition.
Yes,
Then
Lordship.
it will be suppression of fact also.
No, no, nothing, Lordship. As per the veracity, I stated, Lordship. So
Okay,
without any.
But
doubt-
if it is found out,
Yes, Lordship.
then cost
Sure. Sure.
tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Get the preliminary instruction.
day, tomorrow is, I have some difficulty,
Okay, Wednesday.
but it's not complete. But today itself I'll get,
We'll,
tomorrow is.
I'll not be sitting now.
Lordship,
At
the
10:30,
concern is
10:30,
the unlawful
No.
detention since 2000.
Tomorrow,
Lordship, since 24/4, Lordship. The 24/5. No, 24/5, Lordship, the detention.
Mr. Nath has difficulty tomorrow,
Any-
second half.
any-
10:30 Wednesday.
Yes, Lordship.
Everything will be clear
Yes,
from your side, from
Yes,
Mr. Nath's side.
yes, Lordship.
Yes, yes.
Will not make any comment.
Yes, it's important.
Okay? Will not make any comment.
Yes, Lordship.
Right? If it comes out that they are declared foreigners and there is no bail from the foreigners tribunal, no, there is no order or from the Supreme Court, then it is not a case of,
Habeas corpus. But yes.
and it will turn out to be a suppression of material fact
Yes.
in the style of habeas corpus. But if his
But here
instruction is that they are not declared foreigners, then it may be a case of habeas corpus. Right?
is section 47.
Tentative view. We don't know anything because the petition is silent.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay, I heard Mr. R.C. Das, learned counsel for the petitioner, and Mr. Dina, learned senior government advocate, Assam, for all the respondents. First of, as Mr. Das has sought for 2 days' time to obtain the necessary instructions in the matter. First of, as sought for by Mr. Nath and as agreed to by Mr. Das, release the case on Wednesday. Same
at
in
10
item,
Lordship, it was
same in item.
At 10, Lordship, at 10:30, Lordship.
9 o'clock?
Sorry, 10:30, Lordship. Mas-
If it is motion, in motion, it will be definitely
Sure. Yes, sir. Yes,
at 10:30,
yes, sir.
unless some
10:30, Lordship.
unknown things happen.
Mas-